Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I want to talk to you about our little setup that we have in the back of our 4Runner. There's a little bug here. Anyhow, we are running our Goal Zero Yeti 400 to power our ARB fridge. It's a 37 quart fridge. We also run our iPhones and our GoPro devices onto the Goal Zero. And we usually do that when we are driving. As we are driving a long trip, we plug in the Yeti 400 to our 4Runner AC 120 volt, and that completely charges up the Goal Zero so that it can charge our fridge and that it can charge our devices. Anyhow, I think this setup is very versatile because I can go ahead and take the Goal Zero and put it in a different rig if we need to. For instance, we're thinking of getting a Tacoma a Tacoma TRD, and we don't want to buy a second battery. We don't want to buy another fridge. So what do? We remove these items from the vehicle, put it in the Tacoma, and then we head out to our destination. Anyhow, guys, thank you so much for watching our channel. Make sure you subscribe. We look forward to making more videos. We will be making more videos in 2018, traveling to the Caribbean, and more overlanding videos. We're thinking of going to Arizona or Utah. We don't know as of yet, but please stay tuned because we will be posting some awesome videos. All right, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.